just record this thing, but apparently I realized it never did record. Now this is a video or a tribute to Mr. Heaven, right? Now this are one of the diagrams them when the teacher for job back in a grade 8. Grade 8 for me was 2002. Now as you can see, this is just a square wooden block when the teacher for job in some of the classes them. Usually him teacher for job without the centerpiece first, forgive the block with the 3D effect, then him teach you how for the little cutouts them at different places using different measurements. Now what I can say is it's not all teachers that teach me actually remember stuff. This is from 2002, we're in 2012, we're in 2013. That's over a decade ago. For you to remember something from so long, that goes to show that the teacher was a remarkable teacher. He knew what he was doing. For most of us that were in my year as boys, we used to give a lot of trouble, and Mr. Heaven was one of them teachers that would usually beg for us and say, boys will be boys. You understand? 8W was beside me where Shane, Shooters Allen now, Christopher Fisher, and some of the others used to be. And usually whenever I'm teaching them class, I could hear bunches of laughter and thing, you know. Mr. Heaven was one of the teachers them that usually when we're on the TV room, if it is that a cricket match going on, for those of us who were interested in cricket or football, you'd usually have the TV on, and even when the peeping through the window and watching the match and making up noise and saying shh, them thing they would hear and they would laugh and pay us no mind, right? I would get to watch that match. Then after the match is over, I'm look at the TV and say, you know what that means? Basically it's time for us to go to our classes. Now Mr. Heaven is a good father figure, role model for a lot of us. As I tell you, he's a remarkable teacher, you know. Once him teaches something, it's basically hard for you to forget it, right? That man was a great man. You get me answer? As you can see, this freehand, we just use a ruler and a pencil to do it. If I had all the other tools, guaranteed I could do a much better job than this. And that was what I learned in grade 8 in 2002, as I said. Mr. Heaven was a very, very good teacher. And what I can say is this: sir, big up and rest in peace. And you taught a lot of us, and what you taught us, we'll never forget it. And you will live on in our hearts, sir.